Well, a very good morning to you all. I hope we're all good. It's Friday, it's the 28th of July 2023, and we're here to take a look at the weather for Southeast England for the next 24 hours. It's another balmy one out there this morning. Temperatures well up. 17, 18 degrees widely across southeast England. And this is because we have still got this warm sector that's pumping up subtropical air all the way from the Azores. So this is the reason why it feels different. The humidity is higher, the temperatures are warmer, but naturally that cloud comes across a lot of water. It picks up moisture and it really just delivers it across the southeast of England in the form of a lot of low cloud mist. Sometimes you get a bit of drizzle as well. And this pattern doesn't really change until you get a cold front that sweeps through to change the air mass. So that's the story today. One of rather a lot of cloud again, but increased temperatures. Now, I've mentioned about the temperatures. This is the temperature in my back garden at Folkestone, 17.6 degrees, falling no lower, we'll say, than 17 last night. Right, outside, as I've mentioned, it is rather cloudy for most. At the moment, this is the scene down on the south coast at Brighton. So, yeah, not too windy at the moment. I can't see any white horses, but there's not too many people out this morning doing their morning jog. If we run over towards the Isle of Sheppey, just come up for me, please. There we go. There's, again, a lot of cloud, a little bit of dampness in the air, light breezes, all very overcast. But if we just move over towards Newbury in Berkshire, there is, at the moment at least, some brighter skies, some blue skies, but I don't think that's going to last too long. If we just take a look at the overall satellite picture, it is rather a cloudy morning, and that bit of brightness over Newbury in Buckinghamshire, or should I say Newbury in Berkshire, and towards Oxfordshire will come and go. So again, not a wall-to-wall sunshine day. It is mostly dry out there at the moment. Here is the current radar. All I can find at the moment is just maybe a few bits of pieces of drizzle down towards the more southern parts of the region, maybe across the South Downs. And if we just play this out with WX charts as to how they feel it's going to sort of progress through in the day, it's pretty much the same. It's rather cloudy, so here we go at the moment. Just the odd patch of drizzle, more especially this morning, but I think this afternoon with time that cloud will tend to thin and break, and there will be some sunny spells developing. Now, it's not all doom and gloom. The temperatures are actually doing really quite well. So these are your symbols this morning. A rather cloudy picture, as we've seen, misty, the odd pocket of drizzle, fog here and there. But this afternoon, possibly we'll see a little bit more in the way of brightness and some sunny skies. And if you do get the brightness today, because we are in that warm subtropical air mass, temperatures will respond very well, peaking at, in some places, 24 degrees. So places to the north of London, across Essex, along that Thames estuary coast of North Kent up towards Suffolk, you're going to be seeing temperatures this afternoon of 23 or 24 degrees. But down towards that south coast, where you are bringing on that moisture-laden southwesterly flow off the English Channel, temperatures down here around about 19 to 21 degrees. We still keep the clouds tonight, and it's quite possible that we bring in another push of quite heavy rain across the far southeast of the area towards dawn. So with all that cloud around, temperatures not falling too low at all, no lower than around about 15 or 16 degrees. So that's 60 degrees Fahrenheit. And I think we'll just close this out with a look at the breeze. Well, no prizes for guessing. We're keeping these southwesterly winds blowing at least for the next 24 to 48 hours, blowing moderate inland, fresh around those coasts. So that is it in summary. I hope you've all found the forecast quite useful. Suffice to say, it's a rather cloudy morning, patchy drizzle, brighter this afternoon, temperatures doing well in any sunshine. I'll be back tomorrow morning taking a look at the weekend forecast, but in the meantime, have a lovely day. Thanks for watching, and ciao for now.